So in order to get stronger tendon, we need to do isometric load. Basically, where we're not going to move our bones, but we're going to keep tension on the muscle and thus also on the ligaments and on the tendon. Now, the tendon is the connective tissue between your bone and your muscle. Those tendons are made out of fibers. You have stronger fibers and you have weaker fibers, and they're all bundled up together. Now, the stronger fibers are stiffer and shorter, and the weaker fibers are longer. So if you put tension on that muscle, you're only going to really target the already strong fibers and less so the weaker fibers. Now basically, in order to train your tendon, you load up that tendon because of an isometric, so that tension gets on those tendon. If you do this for 30 seconds, in these 30 seconds, in the first 10 seconds or so, those strong fibers that are under constant tension or all of a sudden show fatigue or creep, and they are going to relax and let go. That puts the tension more on the weaker fibers, so they can fire also, and they know how to keep that muscle in place and how to keep that structure in place. And all of a sudden, they also get some stimulus and they grow stronger. And then all of a sudden, they experience creep and they lengthen and relax. And then the even weaker tendon fibers get engaged and they are going to strengthen as well. And that's why 30 seconds apparently is a good gauge to heal your tendon and to hold an isometric in order to get stronger tendon. Now, we're at week number 4 and we are trying to get stronger tendon for my bicep muscle, my hamstring, and my knees. We did 2 weeks already where we did every single day an isometric hold for all of these body parts, and we did that twice a day, 3 sets of 30 seconds. So that was very intense. And now, last week, the 3rd week, we only did 4 days of 3 sets, 30 seconds in order to really get the ball rolling and get our tendon accustomed to that constant tension throughout the week. And this week, we're only going for 3 days because we want to alternate the days. So 1 day off, 1 day loading, 1 day off, 1 day loading, so that we get progressively stronger. And after 4 to 8 weeks of that, we're going over to some maintenance, and we're going to do that only once a week or so. And maybe we can add some body parts for the isometric holds that are already doing great, and we're going to make them greater. So yeah, that is the protocol. How is it going? Well, my bicep tendon are feeling very good. I feel like I don't have that stinging pain anymore, so that is great. My hamstring also flares up less than it did before. I can now start a sprint out of the blue, and I don't feel any sharp pain in my hamstring anymore, where before, as I was going up a staircase or something, or as I was like initiating running, I felt a sharp pain in my tendon and my hamstrings. So now that is gone as well. And for my knees, I didn't really have an injury. I just wanted to take that with me and get stronger knees. So yeah, that is basically the protocol. That is basically how I think and how I understand how tendon work and how to get them stronger. I got this information from Power Project podcast. I'm going to list that in the first link in the description because I think it's so valuable. And also the protocol that I'm following, I'm also going to link that from which video I got that. So yeah, that's basically it. I think we're doing great. I like the fact that we can do this in the home gym, especially if it's only like 4 times a week. I can go in the home gym and do the exercises, where if it was every single day, that was a little bit more difficult to do. Now, last week I was on a trip for the whole week to Normandy, and I didn't have my bench set up with me, so I only had to do it with the deck and with the ground and the walls, and that went also just perfect. You can see that here. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for following along. I hope you like this mini series. I hope you got something out of it. Let me know in the comments down below if there's a tendon that you would want to give some love to, and let me know in the comments down below. And I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace out!